What's good, Vanessa gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's good? Make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe button. If you're Vanessa gang, Vanessa gang, blues gang of all gangs. So anyways, I gotta hurry up because my daughter's eating right now and she's gonna start crying any moment because she wants me to burp her, cater to her, whatever the case may be. So I just wanted to get in here and be on camera because it's been a while. 1 second. And I'm back. So basically, I got my monthly made BoxyCharm in the mail. And if you guys don't know BoxyCharm, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a box that you get monthly. You pay $21 and you get 4 to 5 products from high end to other brands. It's just amazing because you never know what you're gonna get. And if you're one of those people who don't really like to try new things, it's perfect for you because it's only $21 for 4 items versus getting 1 item at all, so that you don't even know if you're gonna like or not, you know what I'm saying? So this helped me a lot experience other products that I didn't know about, because I love makeup, but I'm not like all the way into makeup as far as keeping up with the new products and what's coming out this month. Shout out to BoxyCharm for 1 second. Shout out to BoxyCharm for sponsoring this video. I already did most of my makeup, at least the base, the foundation, the eyebrows, all of that stuff. Okay, I'm back. So I got about 30 seconds before she starts crying again. So basically, I'm going to start with the first product, and I'm going to explain all the products that are in here because I have already used all these products. I made a video for Instagram, but I never made a video for YouTube, so this is my YouTube video. I'm going to be using this palette. It's called the Alamar Colorete Blush Trio, and I really like the colors of these. It's a blush palette, but I use it as like blush, eyeshadow, and yeah, that's pretty much it. 1 more second. Okay, so I'm going to be using these products plus the other products that I have to create a look. I never do these videos because I feel like I suck at them, because I really suck at multitasking, but I'm going to try for you guys. First of all, I just want to say, don't judge my skin. If you see all these pimples, this is not really me, okay? This is somebody else. What happened was I went to Sephora and I told them to pick out items for me that will make my skin glowy. I have normal to dry skin, and they picked these 2 items out for me. And although if you look them up, they have a lot of very great reviews, they have a little horrible reviews, and I got the horrible side of both of these, so I need to sell them, give them away, something. I don't think I can return them because I don't have the box. Let me know if I can return these or not. But yeah, they were amazing. Like, my skin was so smooth, so soft, so plump. I made a video about it, but it just didn't work for me. They broke me out really bad, and I have more pimples than I've ever had in my life, literally. So for the cut crease base, whatever you want to call it, I'm using Jaclyn Hill palette. I really feel like I'm not that great at makeup, but a lot of people think otherwise, so yeah. I'm just gonna grab a brown because there's a lot of brown nudes in this box, so that's what I'm going for. I'm gonna start with a dark color first, and then I'll put the transition on top. When I first started makeup, everybody was saying that you have to put the transition color first and then you blend in the crease colors and all that stuff, but I've seen a lot of other people do it with the crease first and then they apply the transition color afterwards. If you do makeup, which one do you do first? The transition or the crease, or does it depend? I usually do the transition first, but this time I'm gonna try doing the crease and then I'll put the transition on top, which I'm gonna use this blush palette. Do y'all have the Jaclyn Hill palette? Because I feel like it's my favorite palette. It has so many colors. I barely use it. I've had it for a year already, but I barely use any of my makeup because I hardly do my makeup now, and when I do, I'm like rushing to go somewhere and I just don't want to do the most and try new looks, so it just stays in my drawers forever, and sometimes eventually gets tossed out. So my makeup always lasts a really long time. How about y'all? But yeah, I'm still looking for, I'm scared to try one now. I'm in like recovery mode from these horrible moisturizing products. But if you guys have normal to dry skin, make sure you comment below and let me know. A lot of people's been DMing me saying Neutrogena, but when I ask for their skin type, they tell me it's oily, and I don't feel like it will work for me if it works for oily, you know what I'm saying? But that's just how I think. Okay, I think that's good for now. Okay, now I'm going to use this blush palette. I'm going to use the orange one because orange and browns go great together. I wish I had a smaller brush that was clean right now, but this is the only one that I got, so this is what I gotta work with. I like how easily this color goes on. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera because it's so bright outside right now, so it's going on really nice. I'm gonna do a couple swatches for y'all because I'm gonna try to be like a real beauty guru, whatever, MUA. So I just watched it and this is what it looks like. Okay, that wasn't a really good swatch. Yeah, you probably have to have a base with it. I guess it's not meant to be super bold because when I do blushes, sometimes I actually use too much. 1 second. Do y'all see what I go through? This is why it's so hard to get videos out every day like I said that I would. Y'all gotta work with me here. I'm trying, literally. I've been trying for so long, like I just film almost every day and I just never get the chance to sit down and edit a video. It's actually so sad that I have to make a everything I haven't posted type video, and I'll post that on my main channel, but it's just a whole bunch of footage of what's been going on. It even goes back far into when I was pregnant. Sometimes it's just so long that I feel like y'all don't care and it's like old news, so I just never post it. Again? Girl, what is up with you and dropping your bottle? Okay, I'm gonna cut. Okay, I'm done with the eyeshadow. I'm not gonna do too much defining or anything because one, the sun's going down. Two, I'm not gonna take any pictures or make any videos after this. I'm probably just gonna wipe it all off and go to sleep or cater to my daughter because you know she's fussy, try to put her to sleep. But anyways, the next product is in Spanish. This is Cállate. So Cállate London Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. It runs for $22. Like I said, all the information for all the products will be in the description. But I love this, like the color of this. When I used it the other time, I was like so mesmerized by how it looks. The only downfall is that I had to keep reapplying it, like it would not stick by itself. I don't know if it'll stick by itself because like I said, I'm not like all into makeup as y'all think I might be, so maybe there's like a base I have to put before this, but I definitely want more liquid eyeshadows because it makes doing eyeshadow so simple. Like I don't even have to do the cut crease. I did yesterday and I was like, wow, I just wasted so much time cutting my crease when you can't even tell, or it doesn't even matter when you use this. So what I think about this the second time me using it, the first time I thought that I had to put multiple layers. The second time I feel the same way. I feel like it creases, like you have to wait for it to completely dry, otherwise you know you get these marks. Not too bad, but it is a little bit annoying. But I love how bright it is with little to no effort. Like this literally took me realistically 3 minutes to just put this on. I didn't even have to put concealer to make it pop out, which is amazing. I put it under here so it really makes my eyes pop. Even can use it as a highlighter. I put it here. Is it gonna focus? It's kind of blurry. So I put some on my nose, I put it down the bridge, I put a little bit up here. It's fire. I'm a little scared because it's a little bold to put it on my cheeks, but you know, why not, since I'm not doing nothing now. What's your issue, little girl? Let's see how it looks. Let's see what we working with. Okay, yeah, you see that is a lot. Ooh, it kind of looks good though. With a full face beat, you just gotta put a little bit. I put a little too much. But yes, if y'all know any other brands that is good. Oh, another thing is that it kind of stung. Like I do not like that feeling. It was stinging my eyelids a little bit. I don't know if there's like a bad ingredient in here, but I do not like that feeling. I feel like I'm a disco ball. I feel like it looks really good for the inner corner, like all of this, but when it comes to the highlight, it's a little too much. But for a party or something, it'll be perfect. I definitely want every single color. This is like a golden pinkish tone. I feel like I don't even have to wear lashes because it's already so bold and beautiful, but if I did add lashes, it would go the extra step of making me a bad bitch. But yeah, let me put some blush on. I'm gonna use the peachy color. I love when palettes have mirrors because I don't like doing my makeup in front of the mirror all the time because I like to be so close and personal. Like, I like being close and personal to small handheld mirrors, but like my full-size mirror and my like mirror specifically for makeup, it's just, I don't know, I like to be far away from it. So I got the close-up view and I got the what other people see when they see me view, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I like this look. Okay, I'm not done. Let me hurry up because I got limited time with this girl. She's like a ticking time bomb. So then here is the cashmere lip pencil. Ooh, cashmere by Jessica Lip. Look, like I said, it'll be in the description. I personally don't like lip pencils because my lips are so dry. I need something more hydrating, like a lip gloss or like a wet to dry matte lipstick, or the retractable pencils where they're like a little bit more, the formula is a little thicker and creamier. Oh my goodness, I don't like this lighting. It's too bright and then it's too dark. Anyways, the next thing is the Steve Laurent lip gloss in Posh. Oh yeah, I forgot, like I don't have any braces. I'm like looking at my teeth while I'm applying it and I'm like, oh snap. Ooh, I'm loving this. It's like a soft but bold, I don't know what the title's gonna be. Obviously you guys know what the title's gonna be, but this is more like a simple, soft. I don't think this is really soft. This is like a bold, simple, I don't know. Tell me what you would have titled this video if you was the creator, you was the YouTuber, if you were me. So I love it. So those are the products that came with it. It also came with this Glam Glow. I love the packaging of this. If I was to have a makeup line, it would definitely be something really girly and beautiful. But anyways, it's this cleanser, facial cleanser. I used it yesterday briefly. I'm afraid to continue to use it because like I said, my face is like all broken out and I need to go into repair mode. But once it gets better, I'm gonna look into the reviews on this and stuff and see if it does justice for everybody else, and then maybe I'll try it, maybe not. But yeah, that was my BoxyCharm May video. If you guys like these like sit down and talk videos, let me know. I feel like I'm like really awkward and I suck at them, but they're kind of fun. I washed my hair yesterday and I didn't brush it or put any product in it. It smells so good. So this is what we're looking like. I really want to go platinum because I feel like this just blends, this clashes with my skin color too much, but I don't know, let me know. I have a couple like blonde platinum strands, but yeah, this is what I came up with. I can't stop touching my hair, it's so soft. Usually when people get their hair bleached, it's like really crunchy and like disgusting, but no, it's actually really nice. I don't like these dark roots, but my hairstylist convinced me that I need to get it because when it grows out, if I don't have a hairstylist, since I am moving, it's gonna look crazy when it grows out. So I got it, but I don't really like it. I feel like it would be better if I had all of my roots dyed. But who knows? That's it for this video. I love you, Vanessa gang. Thank you so much for watching it to the end of the video. You are a real MVP. I can't stop looking at the lens because I'm looking at how crazy my hair looks right now. I really need to put some product in it. But yeah, I love you, Vanessa gang, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.